So today is logical program number 3 and we will here check palindrome number whether the given number is palindrome number or not. So to validate that we need different things. So we will be learning what needs to be done and what is basically palindrome number. So a palindrome number is the number when we reverse the number, then it will remain the same even after reversing it. The number will remain the same, then that number is referred as a palindrome number. So for example, we have number 12321. So when we reverse this number, it will remain the same, 12321, same. Again, for next example, 101, when we reverse it, it will become 101 only. And for the 201, when we reverse it, it will become 102. For 1234, it will become 4231. So those are not the palindrome numbers. These two are not the palindrome numbers. So now what we have to do is we have to write the code to check whether the given number is palindrome number or not. So for that we will be writing the code here. So basically we are using Java language, so you should know the basics of Java, like creating classes, what is method, and what is main method, basic other methods, and then what is variables, what are the loops, like for loop, while loop, then if else conditions that you should know. And those are the basics thing that you should know, so that you can easily write the code for to validate the given number is palindrome number or not. So mm, let's start with the number. So initially uh, we have started with the number variable integer number is equal to 102. So let's take it as a 12321. So that's our number that we have initialized. Then we have another num1 variable where we have initialized num. So basically the same number will be initialized here. So num1 will also be 12321. So what is the use of it, num1? So we will understand that later because we need here. So then we have initialized, we have another variable remainder and sum. Here sum we have initialized is equal to 0, and we have not initialized, we have just declared the remainder. So then we are using while loop, and we have kept the condition num is greater than 0. So this loop, while loop, will execute whenever the number is uh, till the number is greater than 0. When it becomes 0 or less than that, then it will not execute the loop. So now remainder, we have remainder variable is equal to num modulus 10. So what this operation is, so here num modulus 10 basically gives us the remainder number. So when we divide, when we use the modulus operation for the number by 10, we will get the remainder is equal to 1. So that's the remainder we will get 1 after using this num modulus 10. So we got remainder is equal to 1, then sum is equal to sum into 10 plus remainder. So initially sum is 0, so 0 into 10 will be 0 plus remainder will be 1. So here we got sum is equal to 1 for the first round of this execution of while loop. Then num is equal to num divided by 10. So here we are reducing the given number by each single digit. So when we divide by 10, the 12321 number will become as 1232. And then so this is the first execution. Then for then it will 1232. So it will check the while condition. The number is now 1232 and which is greater than 0. So this loop will again execute. Now remainder is equal to num modulus 10. So for this number, when we use the modulus by 10, so we will get the remainder as 2, the last digit, which is 2. So we will get the remainder 2. Now sum is equal to, initially we got the sum is equal to 1, then 1 into 10 will become 10 plus remainder now is 2. Then it will become as 10 plus 2, 12. Then num is equal to num divided by 10. Again we are dividing this number by 10, it will become as a 2. So that 2 will be a remainder, but we will get 1 2 3 as a num this. So the value of num is 1 2 3. Again it will check the while loop condition, num is greater than 0, that is 1 2 3. Then again it will execute the loop, remainder is equal to 1 2 3 modulus 10. So now we will get the remainder is equal to 3, and sum is equal to initially we got 1 2 3. 1 2 into 10 is 120 plus 3 will become 123. Now sum is 123, then num is equal to num divided by 10. Again we are reducing 1 to 3, divided by 10 will become as a 12. Again the while loop will check the condition 12 is greater than 0. So again this loop will execute, the remainder will become now 12 divided by 10 will become as a remainder as 2. So when we divide, when we use the modulus operator by 10, we will get the remainder as a 2. Again the sum is equal to 123 into 10 plus 2, it will become 1232. So that's the sum we got. Then num is equal to num divided by 10. Again after using the divide operation for this 12 number, we got 1. So again the loop will check 1 is greater than 0. Again the loop will execute, the remainder now is 1 divided by 10. We got the model 1 modulus 10, we got 1. So now sum is equal to 1232 into 10 plus remainder, so which will become as a 1232 0 plus 1 1 3 12321. So basically we are using this to reverse the given number. This logic is to reverse the given number. So then it will 1 divided by 0 will be 0, and here condition will fail, so loop will not execute here. So finally we will use this system.out.println statement to print the number that we reversed using this loop, and that will be in the sum. Though sum is the reversed number of the given number, so given number is num and the reversed number is sum. Okay, so now we will check the condition. So if num1 is equal to sum, so why we have taken num1? Because the num value we have reduced to 1 here, which is which became 0 now after performing this execution. So here this value will become 0 after this execution. So so that we can't compare it with the sum, so we initially we have kept num1 is equal to num, and that's why we will check the condition here. If num1 is equal to sum, which is initial number with the reversed number, if that's correct, then it will print the statement like num1 is a palindrome number. And if this condition is not true, then it will execute the second statement, else condition, which is num is not a palindrome number. So let's check whether the code is correct or not for the this given number. So sum is 12321, which is the reverse of the given number 12321. So which is a palindrome number, because it's a palindrome, because it's the same as that of the initial number after reversing. So now we will just change to 101, and let's save it and execute it again. So let's see what we will get after for 101. Again 101 is a palindrome number, it's clearly saying that. For 102, let's see whether this one is a palindrome or not. So we are just checking the code is working for other examples. So 201, sum is 201, which is the reverse of the initial number 102. So 102 is not a palindrome number, because we are not getting the same number as of the the given number. So this is not the palindrome number. So this is about the palindrome number, how to validate the palindrome number. Yeah, that's about a palindrome number logical program. Yeah, thank you.